Hi, welcome to 4Seller channel. This video will guide you how to connect your discount store with 4Seller. Now 4Seller supports you. Authorize your store to fulfill orders, help you boost your sales. In 4Seller, there are two entrants to integrate with discount. Entrance 1. On the home page, you can click the More icon to enter the store authorization page. Entrance 2. Click Shop Manage in Settings and then click the Discount Shop icon to enter the store authorization page. Through entering the Discount Store Authorization page, enter the custom store name, click Get It Now button to get the seller ID. And enter the page. Please choose the I'm using a feed aggregator. And choose I know my aggregator's client ID. Then please fill with 4Seller in the field, click Using API Authorization and choose Confirm my aggregator client ID. And choose the Proceed with Seller Authentication. Page will jump into the login page, so please enter your discount account. Finally, please copy the seller ID and paste it on the 4Seller side. And after authorization, you can log in 4Seller to manage your store. You can delete or edit custom name. You can also check the shop status. Active means the store has been authorized to 4Seller successfully. If the status become inactive later, please try to reconnect. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe 4Seller. We will update new feature video continuously. If you encounter any problems, please scan our WhatsApp QR code to contact with 4Seller customer service.